And welcome back to my Morning Report chart appraisal videos on Tuesday 28th of June with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Hentech Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen now, and we've had this sort of slight improvement in risk appetite in the past sort of 12-18 hours, and it's sort of generating through dollar yen, whereby the yen is probably the weakest currency in the majors at the moment, but only marginally, and that sort of marginal weakness has produced a slight rebound on dollar yen, nothing too significant, but you'd still say that the outlook remains pretty bearish, doesn't it, on a technical basis. Big overhead resistance around that sort of 103.50 area, which was these old lows, and that remains the case until you sort of see a significant rally above that. And to be honest, you'd say that this chart remains significantly bearish until you see a rally above 106.80, which was that pre-Brexit high. So anything at the moment looks to be likely to be a selling to strength, just unwinding any sort of oversold momentum. Stochastics even now are turning lower, so it's still not certainly technically positive. Just basically a consolidation here on the hourly chart. You can see in the past sort of day and a half. 101.37 is the low. That's the support coming in. The move above 102.45, which is not far from where we are now, would sort of potentially improve a rally. 103.18 is just under that 103.50 area. So 103.18 is sort of the initial real resistance, but again, that's pretty much a decent sell zone, isn't it? 103.18 to 103.50 area. And I think that would be ultimately what we see. I think this is just again unwinding. The consolidation is just unwinding the oversold momentum. I think it will be sold into. The caveats are clearly the BOJ, what the BOJ come out with, whether they jawbone or whether they even intervene in the markets. Doesn't seem as though they're doing too much of that yet, but I think ultimately there's going to be further weakness in dollar yen in the absence of that, it'll be still. That would be a negative for markets, and I think markets, generally speaking, are just going to be still playing out this volatility move. And at the moment, or for now, the volatility is being able to drag markets higher. But exactly how long that lasts for remains to be seen, because I don't think it will be very long before the bears come back in. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.